Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today ay pag-uusapan natin ang product na literally shaking the wellness world. Introducing DTX Glutacollagen 200,000 mg from Thailand. Pero wait guys, before you scroll away, this is not just your ordinary drink. This is the Thai Glow secret that's been going viral dahil sa kanyang detox, whitening, and anti-aging power. So ngayon ay pag-uusapan natin sa video na to kung bakit sikat ang Thai skincare industry, and also pag-uusapan natin how these products actually works, yung mga pros and cons niya, at syempre kung sulit nga ba siya. Have you ever wondered bakit ang kikinis ng mga Thailand women? And yung skin nila guys ay parang porcelana, smooth din and hydrated. Alam nyo ba na ang secret nila ay hindi dahil sa makeup? Because Thailand invests heavily sa mga nutraceuticals, meaning supplements designed for beauty and health. Kagaya nga guys ng sinasabi ko lagi, you cannot fake healthy skin. You can hide imperfection by makeup, but you can fake glowing skin. And guys, ayan ang promise ng product na ito. So ano nga ba guys ang DTX Glutacollagen? Ito ay premium Thai beauty supplement na may 200,000 mg marine collagen and one of the highest potency in Asia. Combination siya ng 3 major function. Una ay ang DTX or Detox Complex na nakaka-cleanse ng ating katawan, ng liver, and blood system from toxins. Pangalawa guys ay meron siyang glutathione. Alam naman natin guys na ang glutathione, it whitens and even out skin tones. Pangatlo guys ay meron siyang collagen peptides na nakaka-firm, nakaka-tighten, and nakaka-hydrate ng skin. So this product guys was made in Thailand using advanced extraction technology para sure ka sa purity and absorption rate ng collagen. So collagen from fish peptides absorbs faster than bovine or pork collagen, meaning mas mabilis mong mararamdaman ang result. So ano nga ba guys ang mga ingredients niya? Una ay meron siyang marine peptides na 200,000 mg na nakaka-repair ng skin tissue, nakaka-boost ng elasticity and hydration, and nakaka-reduce ng fine lines and wrinkles. Pangalawa guys ay meron siyang glutathione which is the master of all antioxidants. Pangatlo ay meron siyang vitamin C na nagsusupport ng collagen synthesis at nakaka-enhance ng immune system. Pang-apat ay meron siyang DTX Herbal Complex that cleanses toxins from the liver and intestine. And it improves metabolism. Nakaka-reduce din itong DTX ng bloating at fatigue. Panglima guys ay meron siya mga berry extract and hyaluronic acid na nag-a-add ng extra moisture sa skin. Kaya naman ay nagkakaroon ng glass skin effect. Imagine nyo guys, all these ingredients working hand in hand. Parang you're giving your skin a full spot treatment. So ngayon naman ay pag-usapan natin ang mga benefits niya. So ano nga ba mangyayari guys kapag tinake mo ang DTX Glutacollagen consistently? So sa mga unang linggo ng pag-inom mo ay mapifeel mo na medyo lighter ka na, less bloated and more energized pa. So week 2 to 3 naman, your skin will start to look hydrated and smoother. And guys, sa week 4 ay manonotice mo na yung glow and yung brightness. And week 5 onwards, makikita mo yung youthful skin, even tone, and visible firmness. So let's talk about the pros and cons. Ang mga pros niya ay very high potency. Meron siyang complete beauty plus detox formula. Noticeable result within 2 to 4 weeks. It helps boost energy, skin, hair, and nails. And bonus na guys, yung lasa niya, masarap siyang inumin. So ano naman yung mga cons ng product na to? Hindi siya pwede sa mga pregnant, lactating women, and sa mga may fish allergy. It may cause mild breakout during detox phase. And wala siyang instant result. Kailangan mo ng consistent use. So now guys, let's answer your most asked question. Pwede bang inumin ang DTX kahit nagkakape ako araw-araw? The answer is yes, but drink Joji DTX at least 1 hour before coffee para hindi ma-block yung collagen absorption. Next question is, paano kung may acne? Well guys, perfect na perfect ang inumin nito kung mayroong kang mga acne breakouts. Because detox helps to clear out internal causes ng pimples. The next question is, safe ba siya kung iinumin mo siya araw-araw? The answer is yes, as long na fina-follow mo ang recommended dose. So ngayon naman ay magbibigay ako sa inyo ng ilang tips. Remember this guys ha, beauty supplement is just one part of the journey. To make this drink work perfectly, pair it with 8 hours of sleep, drink 2 liters of water a day, eat balanced diet, use sun protection, and always have a positive mindset. Because beauty begins when you take care of yourself. Okay guys, thank you for spending your time with me. If you learned something new and nagustuhan nyo ang video na to, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga product reviews ko. Remember, real beauty isn't about filters. It's about health, happiness, and harmony. Stay radiant, stay confident, and I'll see you again next time. To God be the glory.